protect hands and prevent kickback like never before. Customers are in love with the gripper. With over 300 5-star reviews, the gripper is a must-have for any table saw. Cut with surgical precision and get the 3 directions of control you need on a table saw. The gripper is the #1 best-selling, most wished for, and #1 gift idea for power tool saw accessories on Amazon. Click on the link below and get the #1 in safety, precision, and control for your table saw and workshop today. Backed by our 88-day, 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. We also cover it with our extended 3-year warranty. So go ahead, click the link below and protect those fingers for a lifetime of woodworking ahead. The gripper. Don't use a table saw without it. Work safer, work smarter.